American Sailing Academy and Key Largo Cottages. Teach sailing here in the Florida Keys, including beginners or advanced classes. Cottages with a free sailboat, and more. An hour drive from the Miami airport and close to the Florida Everglades. Experience warm island vacations filled with fun and adventure. Key Largo Cottages is perfect for couples and families. There are free amenities like paddleboards, sailboats, kayaks, and gorgeous sunsets. For sailing and vacation cottage rentals at Key Largo Cottages, call 305-451-3438 or visit keylargocottages.com.